Hello nice people, then again welcome back a new video. In this video I am going to show how to enable mark as sold and how does it work. So go to the admin dashboard and hover over on Classima listing and click on settings. We have to navigate the very first tab, general. Click on it, scroll down and you can see this is the enable mark as sold. So click and check this box, scroll down and save changes. Now we have to check how does it work. So we have to go the my account page. So visit the website and click on the user icon. This is the my account page. Just scroll down and we have to navigate to the my listing tab. This is the my listing tab under the dashboard tab and click on it. This is the my listing. Okay, so very last column you can see action and 3 dot, just click on it. You can see promote, edit, delete and mark as sold. So I want to this listing as mark as sold, so click on it and mark as sold, just click on it. Okay, you can see sold out is showing. So visit the website, just listing page, just scroll down and this is the listing which I checked as a sold out. You can see this is the checkout badge. Then again if you want to disable it, you can do it same way. So go to the my account page and click here and mark as unsold. So click unsold, then again refresh the pages. You can see this badge has been removed. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more video.